Officers of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency have received the National Skipper's License after successfully concluding a maritime competency training sponsored by the British Deputy High Commission in Lagos. The certification is to enable officers of the Drug Enforcement Agency navigate the inland waterways in the bid to bust drug cartels making use of the waterways. TVC News correspondent Ifunaya Eze reports.
Officers of the Marine Department of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency receiving certificates of maritime competency to navigate the inland waterways in combating illicit drug importation. Underscoring the importance of training for skippers and boat operators, the need for capacity building for law enforcement officers to acquire requisite skills to tackle drug smugglers on water was also highlighted.
Home Office International Operations are supporting the National Drugs Law Enforcement Agency to develop their maritime capabilities to protect Nigeria from the threat of organised drug crime. In doing so, we capacity build and support the NDLEA at the seaports and the airports, and they must commend the NDLEA on recording such huge successes.
NDLEA, they are after drugs people on the waterways. So when you don't know how to drive, you don't know the rules of navigation on the inland waterways, how do you chase your how? So that is why we want them to be trained too, so that any organization that is concerned with using waterways should know how to navigate on the inland waterways.
The main purpose of this is to train the captains on how to go as far as the coast to intercept a ship for investigation. They don't have to wait till the ship baths before they can board a ship and inspect for any suspect.
The NDLEA commander says the training aligns with the vision of the agency to rid Nigerian society of illicit drugs.
This training will afford us the opportunity to assess the waterways and even the sea, so that it will not be a handicap or a hindrance for us to get to a certain level in the pursuit of these criminals and now withdraw. So there will be no hiding place for them now.
The successful officers got certification in 5 areas of maritime competency. Ifunanya Eze, TVC News, Lagos.